Hey everyone, it's Carlo Angelo Gonzalez again, and this is Aguinaldo Drive. Yeah, boy, pimped to the wheels. It's pretty cool. I've always wanted a car of my own, but this little trip in Kawit Cavite made me think of a lot of things, lots of questions. Did Philippine politics go the way it's supposed to go? Did it go exactly the way it's supposed to go? Lots of questions, and maybe I should watch El Presidente to, or read a few more history books. But I'll find out soon, and This is Carlo Angelo from CarloAngeloGonzalez.com, and I'm here in Kawit, Cavite, in the residence of Emilio Aguinaldo, first president of the Philippines. Behind me, you are seeing the balcony of the sinners. Good friend told me that this was the place where Katipuneros did strategic planning on how to push back the Spaniards back in the Spanish era. And right now, I'm doing some business planning for CarloAngeloGonzalez.com. I hope you share this journey with me, and I'll be coming up with new stuff in the next for the entire year actually.